Desserts for Dad. Brought to you by Creamery Novelties Ice Cream. Live a little. Celebrating dads, and no better way to celebrate dads than with dessert. Desserts for Dads brought to you by the folks at Creamery Novelties Ice Cream. That's right. Over the course of June, guys, we're going to be doing some fantastic desserts using these flavors, new flavors on the market from the Creamery Ice Cream. Today, we are going to do a Neapolitan ice cream sandwich. Neapolitan, big fancy word. All it is this wonderful flavor that has chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla all swirled into one. That's a Neapolitan. And this is a fantastic new flavor by Creamery Novelties Ice Cream. And we're going to put together an ice cream sandwich that you're going to love and Dad will just want to sink his teeth into. Let's get started. You get your favorite cookies, whether store-bought or whether you bake them. Layer the ice cream at the base of one cookie. Press gently and then cover with the other cookie to form the sandwich and refrigerate for an hour. So you can eat these bad boys just like that. Today, we take it up a notch. Yeah, you take these bad boys and you roll with some of your favorite ice cream toppings. Today, we have chocolate sprinkles, crushed nuts. We have walnuts, but you can use any nuts that you like. And this is so cool for the kids to do for Dad. Easy, lovely stuff. Fun in the kitchen. Desserts for Dad. And then dried fruits. Today, cranberries and pineapple. Roll and serve. Dad will love these. My Neapolitan ice cream sandwiches. Thanks to the folks at Creamery Novelties Ice Cream. Brand new flavor. 3 flavors in one. Strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate. It's called Neapolitan. Guys, you've got to try these desserts for dads as we celebrate dads throughout the entire month